After 2 delays, Lil Wayne finally got his day in court. Wayne was sentenced to a year in jail Monday for weapons charges. A crowd outside pushed in on the rapper as he made his way inside the courthouse. Back in February, Wayne's sentencing was postponed for the rapper to replace his diamond teeth. Last Tuesday, his court date was pushed back again after a fire erupted in the basement of the courthouse. Today, everything went as planned. Following his sentencing, Wayne was taken away in handcuffs to begin his term immediately.
We just chilling. I just came out of court, you know what I mean? See my son Lil Wayne, you already know Suwu. Feel me?
We in here.
My favorite thing,
Swag.
Yeah, his swag, you know what I mean?
Also swag is 100 mil.
He's him, you feel me?
Everything. There's not one thing. It's the whole package.
His tattoos, and his dreads, and his face, and his whole body.
Everything.
And his voice. Everything.
You know, Lil Wayne just gotta keep his head up, you know what I mean? And keep doing this thing, you know what I mean? Just like everybody else, life goes on, you know. He gonna be out in a minute, like we say in New York. He be out in a minute. Once you know tomorrow, he be out, you know what I mean? Doing another dental appointment. You feel me?
Yeah, today was crazy. Everyone was pushing each other, and like, I don't know, it was crazy. Like, a lot of fans, a lot of paparazzis. I'm happy to see him, but I'm sad. Like, he goes to jail for 1 year, and I wish everything gonna be alright. And we're gonna wait for him anyway for 1 year. Like, no problem. Like.